We want to know if ZP is negative. And for Z times P to be negative, one has to be positive and one has to be negative. All right, look at clue 1. All this tells us is that P is less than 0 because you're raising Z the fourth power. If Z is negative, raised to the fourth power, it will be positive. Or if, I can't remember which one I said, if Z is positive or negative, when you raise it to the fourth power, it's always going to be positive. Okay, so for this to be less than 0, we know that P is negative and Z the fourth is positive. You're going to get a number that's less than 0. But I don't know about Z. Okay, I only know in this case P is less than 0. That doesn't work by itself. And if I look at clue 2, it's the same argument. This tells me, well, we don't know whether Z is positive or negative. When you raise it to the fourth power, it's going to be positive. But I don't know what P is. Okay, I don't know what Z is. I just know when you sum the two together, it's going to give me 14. All that tells me is the greater one of the two has got to be 14, or to get a positive 14, you couldn't take away something more negative to where it would be negative. I'm not sure if that makes sense. If you put both of them together, you're still in that quandary. You don't know what Z is, so you can't answer the question. So nothing works. So A, B, C, D, E. Your answer's E. Nothing works.